Hi everybody, this is Katrina, the owner of COS Marketing Agency, and today I'm here with another video with a topic that's near and dear to my heart. We're going to talk about marketing strategies in 2026, specifically for the indoor cleaning industry, which has been a big part of the kinds of companies that we service for about 4 of the 8 years I've had my business. But before we get started, it would help us out tremendously if you hit that subscribe button. Make sure when you do so, you click that notification bell so you could see when we post and the algorithms will then notice us. And also feel free to share this with a business owner friend, especially somebody in the cleaning industry, the indoor cleaning industry specifically for this one. And like I was saying to you guys, I've had my company for a while now, and cleaning has been a big one for us. And that's mostly because they've contacted us, with a need to not just to grow, but to grow technologically, to modernize. So we are very good at that. We're very good at building systems, processes, and we're very good at being ahead of the curve when it comes to the strategy, which is what we are here to talk about today. Because your customers are not choosing cleaning companies based on word of mouth alone anymore. People just don't talk to each other the way they used to. They're going straight to Google. They're comparing companies side by side, and they're making decisions based on who looks the most trustworthy, the most consistent, and the most professional online. So whether you are offering residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, deep cleaning, move in, move out, it does not matter. There is one thing that is absolutely clear. Your online presence determines whether customers contact you or your competitors. So if you want them to contact you versus the competition, stay tuned, listen to the end of this video, because this is the brand new tea right here. Local SEO has now become the number one, and I mean the number one driver of high quality indoor cleaning leads in 2026. Let that sink in. Local SEO is now make or break. And the companies who understand this and are implementing this are the ones winning the best clients, the most loyal clients, bar none. We're going to talk about how, right? All right. So the industry is shifting, guys. Demand for deep cleaning and sanitization is still strong after the pandemic. If you're not getting clients right now on a regular basis, it has to do with your marketing, most likely. You got to make sure that your local SEO is up to par, right? And keep in mind, commercial cleaning contracts in particular are expanding more than ever because companies are prioritizing hygiene and safety more than any other time, right? Costs are going up and there's liability involved and people are struggling. Now is when they want to protect their assets more and more. So something like cleaning, especially if you bill it like the safety and the cost preventative really that it is, you will be their number one person, right? 90% of these commercial cleaning contract companies are looking up online. They're looking at photos, they're looking at reviews, they're looking at proof of your work. Seeing is believing, right? They like things like transparent pricing and a visible professionalism to what you do. That's going to help you stand out from your average guy who just has a basic templated website thrown together, right? That he didn't put any effort into, right? How are you going to stand out? Professionalism is key with this, guys. Google search has also extremely evolved just in the last year alone. It's much more visual in nature, much more localized, and much more AI driven than ever. People are not just searching for cleaning companies near me. They're comparing real job photos, right? They're comparing reviews. They're looking at social media. They're everywhere. And they're also checking out how you respond, how you explain these things. Can they understand what it is that you provide and the value? Do you have that proof on there, right? Paying attention to how fast you respond is important too. If somebody's leaving you a review on Google Business Profile, I don't want to see days or weeks before you respond. You respond within minutes or hours. Show them that you value their business. Not, okay, thanks for the 5 stars, goodbye. They look at these things. And also, the quicker you are, the algorithms directly reward you. So the customer's happy, the algorithm's happy, we all win, right? So to rank well and to attract high intent cleaning clients in 2026, Companies must focus on the things that Google cares about. That's authentic photos and videos, real, original content, right? City-specific service pages is another thing that does well, like deep cleaning in Altamont Springs, for example. Altamont Springs, Florida, that's, in our area. That's just as an example. They also want to see consistent Google Business Profile updates. We went from updating a couple times a month to almost every week now. But why are we doing that? Because it's building our clients' traffic. We're happy to spend the extra time because they're getting extra calls. So update that consistently. And keep in mind, reviews that include photos will help with the algorithms because they build trust, right? And it helps with your ranking. Other things besides your Google Business Profile in Google, fast, mobile-friendly websites. I can't tell how many people that I talk to still have websites that are not fully mobile-friendly. Fix that immediately, right? You also want clear service categories and descriptions on your website. You want to have accurate names, accurate addresses, accurate phone numbers consistently across the entire web, not just your website, your social media, everywhere else. If that information is not consistent, that could literally plummet you with Google, and I mean plummet. So be very, very mindful of that. Make sure all of your information is up to date. And I get it, there's 100 different social media sites. Sometimes it's difficult to know what's out there, but you got to hone in on that. You got to be dialed in and make sure that all that information is consistent and those platforms are getting updated as well as often as you possibly can. And we've seen the impact of doing this or not doing this firsthand. One of our indoor cleaning clients saw a major improvement after we optimized their Google Business Profile, and that was as far as we got at that point. And just by updating the service descriptions and adding real job photos, they saw a roughly about 30-35% increase in calls over less than a week, about 5 or 6 days, just from doing that part alone. So I want you guys to definitely take this very serious because where things are trending, right, you got to know. And, a lot of these things, unfortunately, Google is not going to spell out for us. So, in our case, it's trial and error with us and our clients. With you, you get this information firsthand after we did that work for you. So we certainly hope that this helps. Not only helps you in general learn more about marketing, but helps you directly increase your visibility and attract more clients and build that stronger online digital presence that we keep on talking about. But for whatever reason, if you do not want to do that in-house, you don't want to do that yourself, COS Marketing Agency, my company, is here to help you. I've had my business for 8 years, and I've been in the industry for roughly about 12 years now. Collectively, my workers in my company have about 30 years experience, and we're all experts in our field, working together to help grow businesses from the ground up in some cases. Other cases, they're larger businesses and they just want to kind of get to the next level and expand into different areas, different regions. Whatever it is that is the case with you, we want to talk to you, right? So indoor cleaning companies definitely contact us. You provide a great service. It's just very difficult to market something like this on your own. While you're working, while you're wearing all these different hats, going to jobs, doing estimates, doing the work itself can be very physically taxing. So we're here for you. We're, essentially your eye in the sky here when it comes to website presence, and we can handle literally everything from the ground up for you or take care of part of it if you want to manage some of your online presence as well. So if you're interested and you want to book a meeting with us, it is no cost to talk to us about our marketing strategy, which we will build for you customized. My phone number is 407-334-9378. You can also email us at cosmarketingagency@gmail.com. And the website is cosmarketingagency.com. And in the comments below in the description of this video, you're going to see our contact information. And of course, we look forward to speaking with you. And we thank you again for sharing, subscribing. It helps us out tremendously. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.